Do you know how human hair is emerging as a powerful biological specimen not just in medicine but also in forensic sciences because it can retain environmental and biochemical information over a long period of time? Hair is easy and non invasive to collect, relatively resistant to decay, and can be stored without any special conditions, which makes it useful when other biological specimens like blood or urine are unavailable. In forensic science, hair analysis can reveal drug use and exposure history over months because these substances gets incorporated in hair as it grows. Long-term environmental exposures including pollutants and heavy metals which can be very crucial in the toxicological examinations and in criminal cases. Also, the hair analysis may reveal the biochemical and the metabolic signatures that may help in reconstructing the timelines or linking individuals to specific exposure. Do you know how this works? Actually, hair grows around 1 centimeter per month. So, the substances circulating in the bloodstream like drugs or toxins gets incorporated into the hair shaft during growth. So, by segmenting the hair and analyzing each segment, the scientists can reconstruct the chronological history of exposure spanning several months. Advanced instrumental techniques like mass spectrometry, chromatography, and metabolomic based profiles are actually used to enhance the sensitivity and precision during this analysis, which can help forensic scientists to analyze very low concentration of these substances and build the exposure profile. Apart from its advantages of long detection window and durability, hair analysis also faces challenges because of contamination, variability, and standardization. All in all, hair is more than just any physical characteristic. It acts like a biochemical timeline and can help in estimating the person's exposure, providing a retrospective insight.